Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new kit from the newest series GQuuuuux, however you say it. This is the Red Gundam, and I had to order this from a shop called RC Jazz in Hong Kong. It took a couple weeks to get here, but I got a good price on it, so adjust my camera a little bit here. We're just going to do a little bit of an unboxing here, see what's inside. I've been seeing this kit a lot, built by a lot of the Japanese builders lately, especially since, you know, they get it before we do. So it's got a beautiful box here. We'll check it out. So we got the Red Gundam on the front, looks real nice, got bits. I'm not sure why this only came with 2 bits. I do wish maybe they'll do a P-Bandai pack where you can like maybe order extra bits. I don't know. Since it had 6 in the in this cart or in the series originally, and till Suji had it, and then it only had, I think, the 2. I can't remember. It's almost the end of that series. So far it was pretty decent. It wasn't horrible. Way better than I thought it was going to be. And the tie-in is just absolutely crazy right now. So I think the next episode comes out today or tomorrow. I'm not sure when I'm filming this, because this is June 23rd when I'm filming it. So anyways, let's open the box and see what's inside. First we'll take a look at the side here. It looks really nice. You got the chain mace thing, and the bits, and the shield, and the gun, and it looks like beam sabers. So it's gonna be pretty nice. The rest of the box is just the artwork on the sides, and this here that I kind of showed a little bit a few seconds ago. It's just a painted up, you know, version. I know there's this one here. I've been seeing a lot of people doing a lot of painting to it to make it more accurate. Being a high grade, it looks like it's going to be pretty cool, but I think it is going to need some gray and some yellow applications. So I'll probably have to do that stuff by hand. So anyways, inside we have the booklet. Let's see here. Nope, wrong button. There we go. And you have the box art on the front, and it looks like Char and Suji down here next to the Red Gundam. If you want to pause it and read that, you're more than welcome to. Anyways, this is probably just your standard manual. Probably nothing real too special in it. Parts list. Looks like, you know, the normal stuff. The build. You have the head, body, arms, waist. Here's gonna start the legs. Legs. And this awesome chain that I believe comes with the real grade also for the mace. It's pretty neat they included that in here. You know, I don't know, something interesting to check out. And yeah, so this side here is just gonna go over the painted version, it looks like, tell you about all the weapons, tell you about the kit, and here are the color guide. If you want to check it out, you can pause it. Alright, so let's see what else is in this box. Set the manual off to the side. We've got 1, 2, 3 bags of runners. We'll set the box off to the side. Take a look in here. This bag here seems to have the beam saber blades in it, and some orange bits, and the shield. It's a really nice looking red. I like that. And this Char pink color here. Looks like parts for the bits. Alright, these bags are sealed pretty good. Alright, it's got a big sticker wheel. Let's like there's going to be a lot of things that are going to need painted. A lot of hand painting on this one, I think, is what's going to happen. I don't have enamels to spray through my airbrush, so I use acrylics when I hand paint. They work pretty decent. I use lacquer paint for everything else, though, so more bits, parts, and stuff. So here is that really cool runner of the chain, and it has MS joints, which is really neat for a high-grade kit to come with this. That's really kind of the star of the show, I think, with this one. The Red Gundam's always been my favorite version of the RX-78-2, so the Char version. I did build the Master Grade that was a P-Bandai. It's pretty cool. I think the 3.0 version. Anyways, here's some more of that kind of Char pinkish color. The V-fins on here. It looks like the head. Some arm parts. I don't know. Anyways, try and get this one open too. Alright. Now, this does come with a second sticker. It is for the shield, for the Xeon logo on the shield, and you have two different ones you can use. Let's set these out of the way here on the floor. Great place for them. There are some poly caps. They don't actually go on the actual Gundam itself, though. I think they're for the bits, I believe, if I can remember right. And you have the rifle and the ball for the mates and hands, and yep, here's the back of the hands, and they're all just gray. So unfortunately, those are going to have to be painted in yellow, which of course is a hard color to paint by hand. So, but maybe I'll try and order some Citadel paints or something that cover pretty good. Anyways, here's that sticker. You got the undamaged version and the weathered version. And you have a multicolored runner here. It's got some red, it's got that frame gray on it, and it's got this blue piece here. So shield parts, feet, looks like backpack, and more of a multicolored runner with some red, that sharp pink again, and this gray, or well, it's almost black. It's a pretty dark color. So, all right, well, I'm gonna get this build up, and then I'll show it off to you guys when I'm done. And we'll talk about it a little bit, and we'll go from there. All right, see you in a few. All right, everybody. Well, here it is, all put together, snapped up. Got it in a really cool pose up on a stand, and I'm gonna zoom in here so you can see. This is the 1/144th high grade GQuuuux Red Gundam. This was Char's mobile suit, and then piloted by, I think his name was Suji, is how you pronounce it, in the series. And it has only 2 bits, because that's all this kit decided it was going to come with, I guess, even though they start out in the show showing it with 6. I guess there's aftermarket ones you can buy now off of places like AliExpress and things like that, or you could recast all the parts yourself and make them if you want. However you want to do it, I'm fine with the 2 bits. In fact, at the end of the series, they didn't even have any bits. So, excuse me, it's the morning and I'm just now drinking my coffee and waking up, so. All in all, this was a really fun build. It was a cool kit. There are a lot of things that you need to do a little bit of painting on. All that orangish yellow on the hands and on the wrists all needs to be painted, on the back of the hands there. And the bits come in 2 colors. The colors are gray and the pinkish red. So all the color in there, in the bits, all the little yellow and the gray in there, and red on the thrusters, that all had to be hand painted. Or well, I airbrushed part of it, but all the detail was hand painted. I did use the sticker on the shield, so it does look okay. I'm sure there's probably water slides out by the time this video is out, so you might want to think about water slides for this kit. This kit, all in all, was a really fun kit. It has really good posability. It moves all over the place. As you can see, I have it in this really awesome pose over here. I just finished building up the Zaku also, the Police Zaku, and the GQuuuux, but I have not... I'm not going to do a video for the GQuuuux or GQuuuux, however you guys say it. I'm probably going to put that out as a little short teaser, because I didn't film anything. I forgot before I started building it. I got excited. There was a lot of colors that needed painted on that kit also. It was actually probably the worst of the worst. The stickers are garbage. Unfortunately, I couldn't even get on this kit here the Xeon sticker to stick on the chest. So I'll eventually find some water slides and find one that will look okay and put it on there probably for this kit. But these are going to be together in a diorama. So kind of neat, or well, not necessarily a diorama, but they'll all the bases will be connected together and they'll all be like in a really cool pose around each other or something. Not sure yet. The series was okay. Let me know what you thought of the series down below. I don't think it was the greatest, but it wasn't the worst. So, but all in all, let's do a few zoom-ins on this. Let's see what we can do here. Ooh, look there. Look at that Red Gundam go. It's more of a salmon Gundam than a Red Gundam, wouldn't you all say? Alright. This also came with the hammer. It has a chain that I think is the same technology they used for the real grade RX-78 2.0. I think it is what they're calling it, or 3.0, whatever they called the newest real grade of the RX-78-2. So I will show that here in a minute. Alright, and here are the rest of the accessories that come with the Red Gundam. You have 2 beam saber handles, 2 beam saber effect parts. I'm not sure what I did with the other effect part yet, but I'll find it later. You get an open hand and a holding hand for the left hand, and there is the big chain mace ball thing that, whatever you want to call it, and his rifle. And it comes with the 2 bits, and a shield, and a backpack. So you are getting a decent amount of things that come with this kit. Not gonna say that it's the best loadout, but it's a decent loadout. It really would have been nice if it would have came with 4 more bits, although they were very repetitive putting together. So, and painting was really bad for the stuff on this kit. The little bits on the hands were kind of a hard thing to paint without getting paint everywhere, so I actually used a Gundam marker and dumped the paint out into a paint tray and used a very small tiny paintbrush to do the backs of those. Now the chain mace, the ball mace thing, whatever you call it, it does not have any color whatsoever on it. All that orangish yellow in there had to paint. So you do get a yellow part for the sight on the gun though, so that's kind of neat. So all in all, I would say this kit is worth picking up. If you like the RX-78, this kit is an awesome kit. If you don't like the RX-78, this kit's still a pretty awesome kit to pick up, just for the fact that it's super posable. It has a lot of weapon options, and you know, it's pretty cool looking. So, alright, well, if you come across this kit and you want to pick it up and check it out, please do so. All in all, my next video will be on the Zaku from the GQuuuux series, and I will have to get that one out here as soon as possible also. Sorry these videos are being a little slow. I have surgery coming up soon, and my father is just now recovering enough that he was able to take his neck brace off and he's able to walk without any assistance. So that's really great. Things are starting to get back to normal in my life, so hopefully I'll be able to get a few more videos out before the end of this year. I really appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed and you've watched this far and you enjoy my videos, please feel free to go down and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you get all the videos that I put out. So you'll find out immediately. It'll go up and you'll see that I have a video out, but you have to choose the option of all. Okay. Well, thank you once again for being a subscriber. Thank you if you're not a subscriber and just watching till the end. I guess I will see you all in the next video.